When you are having conversations with the sellers, it's very important to understand that they have high expectations of you in terms of marketing and promoting their home. They are the ones who are paying you commission, right? So every single week, it has to be done consistently. You have to send them something of a value. For instance, you have to let them know in terms of how you marketed their home, where you marketed your home, how many people viewed it, saved it on MLS, how many websites are carrying their listing, how many showings, the feedback from the buyers agents. That has to be done ideally on a weekly basis. You got to have a system in place, guys, whether it's an email, whether it's a text message. It's better to do it in an email or text message than verbally. It has to be done on a weekly basis. For instance, when I used to list quite a bit of homes, every single Monday, I would send them an email with all of the things that were done marketing wise for that listing and all of the feedback that I received for the previous week. That's got to be done.